All right, so I'm back out here with another one of my Stevens rifles from my collection. And what I brought you today is a Little Crag Model 65. And this guy was produced between 1906 and 1910. And it is considered a scarce rifle. There are not a lot of these out there. And what's really interesting about it, and I'll put a close-up of it up here, is the rear peep sight that's on it. And the front sight is kind of unique as well. I've got a Gray and Dudley hardware store magazine advertisement from 1908. And the rifle that they were advertising just before this one is a Winchester 1902 that went for $3.50 in their hardware store catalog. The next rifle is this, and it went for $5. So you were paying $1.50 more for a Stevens over a Winchester. And if you don't know what the 1902 is, a 1902, 1904, very similar old thumb action style bolt rifle. So anyway, here it is. I've got the 50-yard iron sight challenge target up, so we're going to see what it'll do here with some CCI standard velocity. Let me get the downrange camera going, and we'll go ahead and give it a rip. Help if I cocked it. Well, that's not good. That's 8 at 3 o'clock. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's an 8 at 9 o'clock. I held too far over. It's an 8 at 12 o'clock. That's a 10. That is a miss. I didn't lube this thing. It is completely dry. Oh. It's another 10. It's a 6 down at about 5 o'clock. Another 6 in the same area. I think that's another 6 out there at 3 o'clock. All right, not sure about that one. But there it is. Would have helped if I would have lubed it up probably beforehand, but I'm not complaining because, again, 1906 to 1910. So this is at least a 114-year-old little boy's rifle. So we'll go down and take a look at the target, score it up, share that with you all later. As always, you all have a great day, and we will see you at the range. All right, so there's the target with the little Krag. I blew one out completely, so that's 10 points lost. This is a 6, a 6, and a 6, so 4, 8, 12 points dropped there. Then 3 more for 15 dropped points. And then 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 drop points, plus the 10 here, 31. So that's a score of 69 with the little Krag.